ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 66. గోపిజనాహ్లాదన వర్ణనం. Delighting the Gopikas. See Bhagavata Skanda 10 chapter 29 verses 17 to 46 for this dashaka. Shloka 1. उपयातानां सुदृशां कुसुमायुधबाणपातविवशानाम् अभिवाञ्छितं विधातुं कृतमतिरपि ताजगाथ वाममिव. Word by word meaning. Kusumayudha Banapata Vivashanam, who had been struck by Cupid's arrow. Upayatanam, and had therefore come to thee. Sudrusham, of the beautiful women. Abhivanchitam, wish. Vidhatum, to fulfill. Kritamatihi, api, though decided. Taha, to them. Vamam iva, as if unfavorable. Jagatha, thou didst speak. Full meaning. Though thou hadst decided to fulfill the wish of those beautiful women who were stricken with love for thee, thou didst speak to them as if thou wert unfavorably inclined towards them. Om Tat Sat.